Okie dokies, last time I made a video about the pond or whatever. It was kind of quick, so let's do this again. This is what it looks like now. Not too bad. Took me a little over 5 hours to do. I decided to go with the red and the black. Kind of like a checker pattern. Just basically because I think it looks cool. Well, yeah, that's about it. I just figured, go red and black. It's a little bit better than just one uniform color, I think, anyway. And it came out pretty damn well.